Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 53rd episode of Campus This Week. I'm Arjiani from English Department Sonada 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Anandam Super Specialty Hospital, Siliguri. Siliguri, Salesian bagged 30 prizes in 40 events in Invaganza 2022 held at Inspiria Knowledge Campus, Siliguri. Student Council President Al-Mazareen of Mathematics Department 6th semester reports.
North Bengal's biggest two-day youth festival held after 2 years of COVID lockdown. 91 Salesian College Siliguri students participated in 35 out of 40 events and bagged 30 prizes in all. 3 events in which Salesians bagged both first and second position prizes are anti-tagline, short film making and pot painting. The events were held on 22nd and 23rd of April 2022.
Siliguri, Salesian College Siliguri and Sonada NSS units hold 2-day summer camp. Producer Singa Roy of Mass Communication Department 2nd semester reports.
The NSS Unit 1 of Salesian College Sonada organized a 2-day summer camp in collaboration with NSS Unit 2 of Salesian College Siliguri at Don Bosco Malot under the leadership of Assistant Professor and NSS Darjeeling District Nodal Officer Mr. Sameep Century. 15 volunteers each from NSS Unit 1 and 2 attended the camp held from 22nd to 24th April 2022. Various Salesian College authorities and leaders of Ram Sudhar Samaj Malot visited the camp. During the camp, the volunteers went through a series of activities which included poster presentation, cultural programs, sand mining in the river, redecoration of Don Bosco Malot and many more. Focusing on community development and interaction amongst the Siliguri and Sonada campus, the camp turned out to be a huge success as Malot became a more sustainable place to live in.
Siliguri, Sustainable Development Goals Business Plan Presentation event held. Enactors President Diksha Jain reports.
The Enactors Group of Salesian College Siliguri hosted an intra-organizational competition called Wave to Conserve. In this event, Enactors Siliguri members were grouped into teams of 7 to 8 members and given the task to present a sustainable business plan they would like to execute in the upcoming semester. After each presentation, there was a Q&A round which allowed the audience to solve their doubts regarding the B plan and helped the teams to broaden their thinking ability. Based on the theme Ideas Built for Change, 5 participating teams came up with their innovative entrepreneurial projects that were judged by Mrs. Polami Chakinandi, a social entrepreneur of North Bengal. Ms. Simran Shaha of BCom Honours 6th semester was the anchor for the event.
Siliguri, Special Lecture on Snake Venom and Snake Venom Research held. Assistant Professor Dr. Brian Gomes reports.
Salesian College, Siliguri, Department of Social Work organized a special lecture on snake venom and snake venom research in collaboration with IQAC. Resource person was former head of Department of Physiology at Calcutta University, Professor Anthony Gomes. After an introduction on snakes, definition, classification, venomous and non-venomous snakes with examples and photos, Professor Gomes explained the composition of venom and the importance of snakes and snake conservation in society. In the second part, Professor Gomes explained snake bite, pathophysiological changes on the human body and how death occurs in a snake bite victim. In the third part, Professor Gomes illustrated the treatment of snake bite by using AVS, anti-venom serum. He also explained what to do after a snake bite. Finally, he described the use of snake venom against cancer animal model, the research which he was doing in Calcutta University. After the lecture, Professor Gomes held a quiz session with prizes.
Siliguri, NSS volunteers join young Indians to celebrate World Health Day. Aditi Agrawal of Mass Communication second semester reports.
22 NSS volunteers of Salesian College Siliguri and Young Indians Siliguri chapter marked World Health Day and free medical health camp in Happy Kids Play School, Siliguri on 10th April 2022. Health camp consisted of eye checkup and health checkup. The ophthalmologist was from Greater Lions Eye Hospital and the general physician was from Maharaja Agrasen Hospital. NSS volunteers and NGO Koshish Ek Nayi Pehal discussed about collaborating in the near future. Himanchal News Group interviewed NSS President and student representative. A total of 125 registrations were recorded. The ophthalmologist promised 7 patients a free cataract surgery to correct their vision. The entire camp was free of cost, including the corrective eye drops. At a minimal cost of ₹100, patients received spectacle frames along with the lens. Soon after the medical camp got over, Young Indians organized a seminar on youth towards intoxicants for all the NSS volunteers. At the end of the health camp, NSS volunteers facilitated all the doctors and the nurses for sparing their valuable time.
Sonada, Siliguri campus students mark Earth Day with bike ride from Siliguri to Sonada. Siddhi Singh of Mass Communication 4th semester reports.
On 22nd March 2022, 4 student cyclists from Salesian College Siliguri went on a 54-kilometer uphill bike ride from Salesian College Siliguri to Salesian College Sonada, some 6,500 feet above sea level. The bike ride marked Earth Day and took 7 hours along Hillcart Road. 4 students, a part of cycling group called MTB Dedi, Shubh Samani, Mehul Garg, Ritik Raj Sahu and Nikhil Subba left Siliguri campus at 6 am in the morning. The principal signs, Father CM Paul flagged off the riders, who for the first time were taking such an initiative in the college. In spite of bad weather situations, 2 out of 4 bikers arrived at Sonada, where they were honored with Khadas by Shrishti Chetri from Mass Comm department for completing the event. Assistant Professor of Mass Communication, Ms. Shruti Chetri welcomed them and offered refreshments.
And here's our photo of the week. Salesian College management team leaving for an exchange visit to Holy Cross College, Trichy in Tamil Nadu. This show is brought to you by Anandam Super Specialty Hospital, Siliguri. Those are the latest news for our campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.